friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to add Flexbox in Elementor. Right, as you can see, I'm into my Elementor. I'm editing a new page in Elementor, and here while we are editing a page in Elementor, we see a plus icon in front of us in the middle of the screen. Right, we just need to click on this plus icon and it would ask us about the layout. Right, here you can select the Flexbox simply, and here it is asking us about the structure of the Flexbox. So for example, I just want this one, the one row and two columns, and this is, you can see, simply one column and one row. Right, and this is again a single, you can say, row. Right, this is column, this is row, this is one row and two columns, and this is again one row and two column, but one column is much wider than the another one, and this is one row and four columns. So in same manner there are lots of different structures. So I have selected this one. Now I will click on edit container, this 6 dots. Okay, I have clicked on this, and here you can see there are three options. The first one is of layout, the another one is of style, and the another one is of advanced. In the left side toolbar we have three options available in front of us. Here in the container it is telling us that container layout is Flexbox, as we have selected previously, and the content width is boxed. Right, you can either also set it to full width, and here we are having this kind of a structure. Right, and we can simply start adding content on this, and coming to the style, we can simply add the background overlay, border, and shape divider, and in the advanced we can make changes to the layout settings, motion effects, transform, responsive, attribute, and custom CSS. So in this way you can simply add Flexbox in Elementor while editing a web page on a WordPress website. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Elementor, then I have already mentioned my blog link in the video description. You can simply visit our blog and read articles related to Elementor. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have added my website link in video description. You can simply visit our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.